Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix a Javelin AntiCheat encountered an error. Please restart your PC. Or security violation error. This software cannot be used at the same time as the game. Please make sure it is not running or restart your PC. Easy AntiCheat. So if you are getting this error in EA Sports FC26, then here follow the fixes to solve this error. First fix is to uninstall and reinstall EA AntiCheat. So what you have to do, open File Explorer, then go to this PC, C drive, open Program Files folder, open EA folder, open AC folder. Now double click EA AntiCheat.installer.exe file, click yes to allow, and then simply click on uninstall all. This will uninstall EA AntiCheat, so click on uninstall all. Now once you see uninstall success message over here, close it. Now go to this EA website. I have provided this link in my video description, and then scroll down, then click on download the EA Javelin AntiCheat installer. So click on it, and once this EA AntiCheat.installer.exe file get downloaded, then double click the EA AntiCheat installer.exe file that you have downloaded now. Click yes to allow. Now from the drop down, select FC26 and then click on install. Wait for it, and once you say install success message, then close it, and then you can relaunch the game and check if your error is fixed or not. If still your problem is not solved, then close other background services from Task Manager. So open Task Manager, and if you find any services such as Logitech, G-Hub, Daemon Tools, REWASD, DS4 Windows, Riot Vanguard, Corsair, Faceit anti-cheat services, or any other third-party anti-cheat services running in the Task Manager, then close all of them. Also close all the unnecessary third-party app running in the background. Close all the overlay apps such as Discord, Nvidia app, AMD overlay. Close all the overclocking applications such as MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, ton of Razer Synapse, Razer Lighting Effects, and MSI Dragon Center, and then you can launch the game and check. So by this way you can easily fix EA AntiCheat error in EA Sports FC26. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.